Hey everyone, welcome back to flshelling. Today I'm going to be creating seashell barrettes with you guys. So I've never done this before, it's my first time, so we're going to do it together. So I have a packet of bobby pins. Did I say barrettes? I meant bobby pins. I have a hot glue gun, hot, ready to go, and a bunch of seashells. So let's get started and see what we can come up with. We'll even make a tag, if you will, to slide the bobby pins on if you wish to sell them. Here we go. Okay, we're going to start off with one bobby pin. And let's see here. Let's grab a shell. And this part goes into your hair, so you want the shell to be on this end right here. So let's see. So that would be really cute, so we can do that. So we're just going to put a dab of glue right there. And the hot glue dries very quickly, so that's a good thing. Okay. Just going to hold it there for a few seconds. Okay. Good. So there we go, our first bobby pin. Let's see what else we can do. Let's see, here I have a Murex. That's pretty cute. Any small shell should work. Okay, that's pretty cute. Oh, I actually love that a lot. We'll do two more and then we'll do a backing to hold these on. Let's see, I have a blue Barbados limpet. Let's put a dab of glue on the very center of the back of it. Glue it right there. And then, oh, that's stained really well. I'm going to take a pearl, an oyster pearl, and I'm going to glue that into it. Oops. Look how cute that is. One more. Let's see what a sand dollar would look like. Oh, I'm knocking everything over. That's cute. Okay, so that's 4 bobby pins. Oh, I had to turn it a little bit so you couldn't see the bobby pin through it. Okay, so I have a piece of burlap ribbon. Got this from Michael's. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of it, and we're going to slide the bobby pins on it. So I don't know how much we'll need. Let's just do this. Okay, so let's open up the bobby pins. Slide them in. And if you want, You could put them all on the same side, or you could do like switch sides like that. I'm gonna do switch sides so the weight is even. And it looks like I really didn't need this much burlap. But then again, maybe I can put more than 4 on here. And there you go. Homemade seashell barrettes with a backing. I hope you enjoyed today's video and have a great rest of your day, guys.